Hello, my name is Catherine. Welcome to the Read4Money review. This product is about how to make money by reading. Stick around with me till the end of the video and I will guide you on how to access my exclusive custom bonuses that no one else is offering these bonuses. Let's get into the review. Should you buy the product, you will come to the members area here. There are different menus here at the top right hand. Right, there is the training, the FB money, the SMS money, and the email money. Now, each with respective tools, templates, and campaigns to set up and carry out the income-generated campaigns. You will be guided more when you come into the members area. Let me show you what the vendor has for you in terms of free bonuses. Bonus number 1 is 1K a day live masterclass. Bonus number 2 is 30-second free commissions. Bonus number 3 is over $500 per day viral traffic. Bonus number 4 is Read4Money commercial license. And bonus number 5 is 1 million a year blueprint. And there is a surprise bonus for the 150 action takers. You get free access to Read4Money Supercharged that is worth $997. Should you decide to buy this product, do click on to the link at the description below and you will come to this bonus page. In this bonus page, it will tell you more about the Read4Money, what is it about, and the section on the prices and the upsells. For the front end, you will access to the software and the training modules. For the upsell, number 1 is about removing all limits for you to experience the full potential of what this software can do in getting you paid. Upsell number 2 is about generating 100% hands-free income while all the work is done for you. Upsell number 3 is about putting the system on automation while you earn sales and profit on autopilot. Upsell number 4 is about earning multiple streams of income through the different channels within the system. Upsell number 5 is about getting all the traffic you ever need to do your campaigns. Upsell number 6 is about you selling this product as your own and keeping all the commissions throughout the funnel. Upsell number 7 is to give you another income stream in financial emergency needs. These are my exclusive custom bonuses that you will not get from anyone else offering these bonuses. Bonus number 1 is how to improve your reading skills to make money. Bonus number 2 is the alternative ways to make money reading. Bonus number 3 is learn of the best book reading gadgets for 2022. And bonus number 4 will be how to start making money faster with Read4Money. Bonus number 5 will be the free access to all bonuses from the vendor. Should you want to get this product under my link and get my custom bonuses, do click on to any of the yellow buttons here. Let me do a recap for you. Should you be getting this product Read4Money, you will get a brand new system. You will get a paid-to-read technology. You will get a step-by-step video training. You will get world-class support team. And you will get vendor's 5 bonuses, all added to over 11,000 worth of value of a product, plus my 4 custom bonuses, all at a one-time price of $17. It is a product that is worth the investment for you to prepare yourself for a financial change in the new year. So think about it and consider all the upgrades that has been spoken of. Thank you for taking the time to check out my review and bonuses. See you at the next review. Bye.